How to use a Fiton referral code for bonus rewards. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, find Fiton referral codes and from the search results, open a website to get the code. Once the website is open, find an offer or deal and open it to get the code. From the new pop-up, tap on copy code and to redeem it, let's go to the Fiton website or mobile application and make sure you are already created an account. Once you are in the Fiton mobile app, tap on your profile icon from the top left side and on this page, tap on the gear icon on the right side to open the settings. Here, scroll down a bit to find redeem benefits and tap on that. It will give you three options. Choose the one that suits your discount, but I will go with the promo code option. Here, paste the copy code and once you tap on redeem, you will get the bonus rewards as per criteria. I am already using the free plan, but you can apply if you are using the Fiton Pro plan. And that's it. This is how you can use a Fiton referral code for bonus rewards. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.